curious how modern logging conquers forests? Witness monstrous machines unleash raw power and unmatched precision. Get ready for an adrenaline-pumping journey that will leave you awestruck. Feel the grit of perseverance as the logger powers through. The aroma of freshly cut timber fills the air, mingling with the hum of the chainsaw. Each precise stroke paints a vivid picture of strength and determination, raw power meeting unyielding effort. That was intense. The excavator roars to victory, uprooting stumps with raw power. Felling an old tree near homes demands razor-sharp precision. Every cut is calculated to ensure safety and protect the neighborhood. Amidst the rugged mountainside, a chainsaw roars as a lumberjack skillfully fells slanted dry trees. Precision meets danger in this daring battle against nature. Watch expertise in action. Prepare to be blown away. Meet the John Deere 1270E harvester with the HA425 head, Daisat 255 horsepower, an 8.6 meter crane reach, and the power to slice through 750 mm trees with ease. Big jobs? No sweat. It's pricey. $331,000 for the 1270E, $47,000 for the H425, but unmatched in power and precision. Watch in awe as the operator showcases unmatched precision, controlling the excavator with expert finesse. Each throttle push is perfect, keeping momentum steady while conquering rough terrain like a true master. Witness the wood miser sawmill's blade as it slices through a massive log, merging tradition with cutting-edge precision. This powerful synergy of ancient craftsmanship and modern engineering transforms raw timber into potential masterpieces, each cut showcasing the wonders of innovation. This massive tree is a wildfire waiting to happen. Watch as heavy-duty excavators rip it from the ground with raw power, stopping danger in its tracks and proving the unmatched might of forestry machines. Wow! Watch as this powerhouse log splitter, paired with a steepa crane, obliterates logs nearly 3 feet wide with 30 tons of force. Firewood splitting redefined, precision, power, and efficiency. Could this be the ultimate tool for the job? Share your thoughts. Feel the power of this stump-removing beast, a machine that stirs deep nostalgia among forestry pros. Watching it in action is like stepping back in time, a tribute to the early days when raw strength and ingenuity forged unbreakable bonds in the heart of the industry. Meet the Stihl MS362, a 59cc powerhouse roaring with 4.3 horsepower. Weighing just 5.6 kilograms, it blends raw strength and agility to tackle the toughest tasks. Durable, efficient, and worth every penny. This chainsaw redefines power in your hands. Think a small dead tree is harmless? One move and danger strikes. Meet the Mustang 2109 with HFP 160 head, a forestry powerhouse. Price $30K, $70K, this beast delivers unmatched power and fuel efficiency. Ready to revolutionize your wood processing game? Watch as the mighty excavator tears through massive stumps with unstoppable power. Its hydraulic arm crushes roots like twigs, dominating even the toughest terrain. This is raw strength in action, an engineering beast built to conquer nature's toughest challenges. The Bandit 1990 XP roars with a 300 HP Tier 4 engine, shredding tough materials with ease. Its 21-inch drum, dual feed wheels, and hydraulic lift ensure unstoppable power, while remote control boosts safety. Witness raw strength in action. This beast turns obstacles into chips.